Hey everybody, I have this incredibly sweet and smart neighbor named Maya. Now the cool thing about Maya is that she loves making things with beads, she loves Pokemon, and she still believes in magic. And she has a couple of magic wands. And recently she acquired a big fur coat because it reminded her of Hagrid from Harry Potter. All this to say, I was inspired by Maya to create some magic wands of my very own. And to make them extra special, we're using this metallic stain called Artistic ViVATiONS. It's incredible stuff, and it's made by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is the inventor of Unicorn Spit. It smells awesome, it comes in a ton of beautiful colors, and it's non-toxic. I think you're really gonna love this stuff. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some magic wands. Woodworkers have stained wood for centuries using natural pigments and dyes from plants and minerals. Iron nails soaked in vinegar and tobacco in ammonia and water were just a couple of methods of making wood stain. You can use these metallic stains in full concentration, as a paint, or dilute them with hundreds of catalysts, including water. You can create a paint, a glaze, a stain, dye, ink, color wash, or tints, and I've even used them in a spray bottle to make art sprays. Quartz enhances spiritual growth, spirituality, awareness, and wisdom. It also increases inspiration and creativity. The first written references to magic wands comes from the Greek writer Homer and appear in his works the Iliad and the Odyssey. He wrote that a magic wand, which he called a rod, was the tool used by the god Hermes to put people to sleep and then wake them up again. Over 3,500 years ago in ancient Egypt, people would protect their households against illness and evil spirits with the use of magic wands made from the ivory of the fearsome hippo. In the Bible, there are references to keys as symbols of teaching authority and power, and they are also symbols of opening and closing. I'm going to leave a link to Artistic ViVATiONS and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. Follow me on Instagram at @the Mark Montano. And I'll see you next week. Bye.